Okay guys, here's the situation. We're getting ready to head up to the Cedar River flow. It's calling for some rain and thunderstorms today, but I'm not afraid. I got my tarp, I got my rain jacket, and it's going to be warm anyway. So worst case scenario, warm and wet is preferable to cold and wet. So I think I'm going to have a good time no matter what. So all right, here we go. I'm starting here, and I'm kind of thinking about passing sites 1, 2, 3, and maybe going to check out 4 and 5 there. All right. Well, it's overcast, only a little bit windy. I'm saying goodbye to the dam here, and I'm headed down the flow. So now the other thing that I have to remember is that the weather is calling for a storm today. It's going to be storming pretty much during the day, and it's supposed to be a quiet night. So we'll see how that goes. I really hope that's how it ends up working out, but we'll see. So. Now I'm going to get out of this little swampy area and get around this horn and get out into the open. It's really nice. I don't get to come camping a lot in like really, you know, the dead of summer. So usually I'm always on the shoulder seasons or something like that. But it's really nice to have a chance to get out here and just do the thing that I want to do all year during the nicest time of the year. Love seeing the clouds just at the top of the mountains there, right up on the ridge. A lot of moisture in the air. It's been very humid, very hot. Probably site 4, because I think that's the big popular one, but I see another one over yonder, just off to my left right now. That is probably site 2, site 1. Site 1 is probably a little bit behind me back there. This water is just beautiful. Some people are ocean people. I'm a lake guy. And specifically, I think I'm a Adirondacks, New England lake guy. So I just love this tea-colored amber water from the tannins and the pines up here. Just beautiful. Well, right now I think I'm going to work on crossing the lake. I got to be closer to see what's open, you know. That looks like a little beach if ever I saw. There we go. Is it? Let me see. Maybe not. Ooh. I might be in luck. Dude, I think this is site 4. I think this is the one I wanted too. I mean, come on. Okay. Now the age-old dilemma, right? I got this one. I know that there's another one, I think just around the corner from this guy, that also looked really cool. It had a nice little beach that came right down to the water. Well, let me think a minute. Well, you know how it goes. You can't stop at the first sight. I gotta get eyes on at least one more, because I did want to check out the other one right around the horn here, and then we'll compare. And it is still early. Gosh, it's 10:16. What's your hurry? What's your hurry, Barnes? Just chill, guy. I know that other site is down here lurking somewhere. Just gotta find them. No matter what you do in picture and video, you kind of just can't capture how incredible this place looks with your own eyes, like that. Well, I can see the rain moving in here, so I think I'm gonna boogie right back to site 4 and just see if I can beat this. But I think I'm about to get a little bit soaked, but we'll see. So you can see that rain coming right down the valley. Holy cow. I'm only getting a little spray right now. It's almost a little bit of a sun shower or a rain shine. I don't know. Just a little mist. It's not bad, actually. Bring her right up on land for this one. As soon as I'm done unloading, this boat is getting flipped over. Spoiled rotten with this table. Spoiled rotten with this table. This is amazing. You see for me. All right, let's get her set up. So this is my superior gear hammock. This is the Voyager, and it's only like a 45-degree integrated quilt, so I should be snug as a bug tonight because it's not going to get cold. It's only going to be in the 60s, high 60s, I think, tonight, so this should be perfect. And then also I brought, this is a pretty cheap, just 3M Thinsulate, essentially just like an Amazon bag, just a cheap, fairly compressible, like 40-degree bag. So this paired with the underquilt built into the hammock is going to be just right. All right, now that I've got my hammock set up and stuff, I think I really need to take a break and have a little lunch, and I'm just gonna have an apple and some of my Canoes here, and probably a beer too, and then I think it would be a good idea if I got hot, finding some bigger chunks of wood for tonight, like some actual cooking logs and stuff. So I'm so lucky that I have some kindling that someone already left here for me, so that's kind of a bonus. But yeah, I'm solo on this trip, and actually this is my first time doing a trip solo like this, and it's all fun and games until it's time to do camp chores, and then, boy, where's Cousin Jake when you need him? When he can't come with me, I lose my woodman. So yeah, all the camp chores that normally Jake really insists on doing as quickly as he possibly can. Now I gotta do some work. So, all right, here we go. First beer sold after Prohibition, so they say. Some of my local favorite swill. All right, here I found a perfect example of a good fire tree right here. Already propped up for me and everything. Boy, is this camping stuff easy or what? All right. That'll keep me busy for a while, huh? Gotta tell you, it's good to bring an axe, because I used an axe to limb up all these trees. But boy, if you had to pick one, I'd pick the bow saw. And not only would I pick a bow saw, I'd pick a folding bow saw. Mine is a Sven saw, I think they call it. There's a lot of them that, yeah, Sven saw. There's a lot of them that fold up like this. Some of them are really expensive. Like I've seen the ones that are like, I don't know, I think they're like over $100. This was like, I kind of forget, maybe $30 or $40. And Cousin Jake has one that I think it's like a Coughlin's or a Coleman's, but it's a folding one that I might like even better because it's even easier to use than this. There's not even like a wing nut that comes off separately. It's just a little set screw that unhooks and you just fold it differently. And either way, Bow saw. Well, it's getting to be just a little afternoon. It's about 12:10, and now I think I just need to start hanging out. I haven't even set up my chair yet. What am I thinking? I gotta set up my chair. Tarp is set up, hammock set up, basic amount of wood, recovered, collected, and processed. Now kids, we can actually have a couple of pops and relax here. All right. I just cannot resist. I've got to go see some of these other sites way down the lake and beyond. So I'm gonna hop in and see if I can mosey down there. Tell you what, it is a good feeling when basically all the work's done. Now I just have to paddle around and hang out. This is great. Over here we're coming to a little bit calmer part of the lake. I want to get to a good spot where I can kind of just chill for a second and get a line wet here. I hear voices off to the west here. Maybe it's hikers. Just a little lily pad island that kind of feels like it's out here in the middle of the lake by itself. It's pretty cool. I'll bet this is a frequent loon hangout, huh? my campsite is right over there. Not too far. I'm basically home. Here's the downside to wearing Crocs. Everywhere you go, you sound like Dee Dee from Dexter's Lab because your feet quack every time you take a step. A little windy here, it's sprinkling a little bit, but it's really not too bad. Maybe we'll go paddle around or swim a little more, or I'll get at my guitar or something. That'll be fun. Pretty soon we're going to combine this with this and some homemade sauce and meatballs that I made. I felt like eating my dinner down here by the beach, looking out at this instead. Those loons came right by the site earlier while I was making my pasta. So loud. Damn. Make it. In any case, I'm gonna wrap it up here in a little bit. I'm just gonna drink this beer and watch this fire go out and then douse it, and then it's Betty bye for me. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Oh, kind of been tossing and turning and waking up for probably about 15 or 20 minutes now. I think in just a little bit I'll probably get some coffee going. Making coffee. Making coffee. Let's see, it is 5:20 in the morning, and I'm just about to put on my pot of coffee. I'm gonna make this, and I'm gonna get some oatmeal going. I hear my coffee pot bubbling over there. Not a moment too soon, because I'm ready for some coffee, huh? Oh yeah, that's what we like to see. Well, it's 5:51, and I'm already kind of feeling like I'm ready to go get out on the water as soon as I'm packed up here. Great. I'm gonna have to scoot around this lake a little bit. It's so clear and perfect right now, it's crazy. Look at those guys. Good morning. I can't believe I'm watching a bunch of river otters right now. It's a little family, they're just hanging out. Quite nice. You know, while I'm right here and I got a minute, I really want to take a second to just extend some thanks and some gratitude to some of the other people on YouTube that just make some really great videos that have really given me a lot of entertainment over the last couple years. And I would have never even heard about the Cedar River flow or seen how cool these sites are or had any inkling to come here whatsoever, if not for some of the people on YouTube that make really great videos. So especially Craig from Meet Me Outside and Justin from It's Good in the Woods. Your guys' videos in particular I've really enjoyed, and I've added a few sites and areas to my to-do list because of you guys and your videos. So thank you so much, guys. And also Alan's Outdoor Adventures. I've watched a bunch of his videos touring campsites here, and Eric Potter has made some a really cool video here and some other cool ones. But anyway, I had an amazing weekend here. Great food, great paddle, nice fire. I've seen more animals in nature in this trip than I have in like my last 2 or 3 combined, I feel like. So anyway, this is pretty much just going to be the end of the video. It's just me bringing it into shore here in about a half mile and just loading up. So otherwise, thanks for watching, and take care.